Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This is Randy. Hi. 2007 Dodge Charger SXT comes to me and says, my car died on the road. Okay, great. The tow truck brings it in, and I check everything. He said I put in a new fuel pump and a battery, and I can't believe it. It still doesn't run. So I check everything. The gas gauge was on empty. Well, what the hell? Because I can hear the fuel pump running. So I put in some gas, and voila, look at that, it runs. Don't work on your own car. The gas tank was empty. Wouldn't you think that while whoever this is decided to spend the money and time to change the fuel pump and the battery, and you have no idea where the battery is in this car, you would hate it, that you would have put some gas in it to see if it works? You've got to be kidding me. Some people's children. It runs, you can hear it, you can see it. So, I guess I gotta say, quit working on your own car. That's my job. You don't know what you're doing? Don't do it. I promise not to do your job, whatever it is, if you have one.